Welcome back. In this video, we'll create the layout for the RecyclerView items. Go to Layout, New, Layout Resource File, and I name it as journal_row. This will act as a template for every item in our RecyclerView. Go Split Mode, and here I need to change the constraint layout into card view. I'll change the height to wrap content. Then I need to add some attributes like the card corner radius equal to 8 dp. And here I need to use card use compact padding equal to true. Then I'll create a linear layout that contains a text view and image button. This is our linear layout, one text view for the title and one image button for sharing the journal. Now I need to create another linear layout that contains 3 text views and 1 image view. And this is our layout. Of course, you can download this layout directly from the resources folder in our section.